Hi everyone, welcome to researchmd.com. Dr. Pramil is here. I work as an associate professor of medicine in one of the large medical schools in the United States, also a chief medical officer. Today our topic is about coffee drinking with milk. Is there any health benefits to it? Okay, when you talk about coffee, everybody knows like it's got a lot of anti-inflammatory properties, right? All the studies have clearly shown that. How does it produce anti-inflammatory? Because they contain this polyphenol. Those are the one actually bringing this anti-inflammatory properties. When you look at the anti-inflammatory property of the polyphenol, just identify what are the main polyphenols. They are like caffeic acid and chlorogenic acid. Those are the main polyphenols in the coffee. And that's the one that decrease the inflammation and prevent heart disease, cancer, and things like that. When you look at the milk, does it have anti-inflammatory properties? Studies have shown it does have some anti-inflammatory properties. But the main thing we're going to focus on, what exactly in the milk? Lots and lots of proteins, okay? And when you look at protein, they got amino acid, they're the building blocks or monomers of the protein. You got like 20 long chain amino acids in there. So this study, actually, the scientific study based on our talk today, is published in Journal of Agricultural Chemistry, and it was done at the University of Copenhagen to main Dr. Lee and Dr. Lunt. Those are the main researchers involved in the study. And what they looked at, they looked at the polyphenols alone, and then polyphenols combined with the protein, and see what effect has in the role of anti-inflammation. Okay, so what they found out was like when you combine the polyphenols with the amino acids in the protein, there's less inflammation, okay? Anti-inflammatory properties goes up. So what they found out, they got prostaglandin E2 less, okay? They got tumor necrosis factor less, reactive oxygen species, the free radicals we talk about usually can cause all this damage to tissue. They all get inhibited. So the anti-inflammatory the property will go twice as high. Okay, so when you look at the bottom line, drinking coffee with milk is much beneficial to us than just drinking the coffee alone. Again, what happens here? The polyphenols combined with the amino acid give us a lot of anti-inflammatory protection, decrease the prostaglandin E2, reactive oxygen species, free radicals comes down, tumor necrosis factor is coming down. So next time when you drink coffee, it's probably a good idea to add some milk. Thank you so much for watching. We'll be back with another presentation soon. Please subscribe to our channel. God bless. Thank you.